Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be doing LeetCode problem 349, which is intersection of two arrays. So this problem states, given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must be unique, and you may return the result in any order. So example 1 here, we have nums1 is 1, 2, 2, 1, and nums2 is 2, 2. So the output is 2. In example 2, nums1 is 495, nums2 is 94984. So the similarities between those two arrays are the 4 and the 9. And notice it doesn't care about the duplicates, no matter how many. Like in this first example, there's 2 2s here and 2 2s here, but it only cares about one instance of it. And then 4 9 is also accepted for the second example. So we pass into int arrays, and we need to return the int array of the intersection of the two arrays. So the first thing we're going to do is create a hash set. I'm going to call it set1 and initialize it. And the nice thing about a hash set is it removes, or doesn't allow for duplicates. So it's automatically going to strip out all the duplicate numbers in both of these arrays. So we'll just loop through each number in nums1 and add it to the hash set. Now we're going to do the same thing with the nums2. Create a new hash set, set2, and for each integer. And in nums2 we'll add that each number to set2, the hash set set2. After we do that, so this call right here pretty much does all the heavy lifting. It's basically taking set1 and will retain any number that is the same in set2. And that's pretty much our answer. So now we just need to convert these. We'll have the answer in set1, we just need to convert it back to an int array. So we're going to call, I'm going to call it output, new int array, and it's going to be set to set1 size. And we'll create an index, assign it to 0, and then for basically each number in set1, we're going to assign this to the output. So the output first time through will be 0, and then it increments it afterwards, and it'll keep going through until it has all the numbers inside the int output array, and then we'll just return that output. And that is all she wrote. So let's debug this. So I use the second example. We've got 495 for the first nums and 94984 for the second. So we'll create hash set 1, and it has size 3, so it has all three numbers, 4, 5, 9. Now watch this. When you do set 2, it's got 5 numbers, but the size is actually 3, so it's 4, 8, 9. So it stripped out the extra 9 and the extra 4. So now this set1 retain all is just going to grab the numbers that are in both of the sets. So it grabbed the 4 and a 9. So we have our answers. We just need to do a new output and then loop through each one of these and add it to the output. So the output is, 4 and 9. And that is your answer. All right, let's run this through LeetCode. And it is accepted, and we'll submit it. Faster than 95%, and memory usage is better than 93%, so very good on all counts. So now the last thing we'll do is the time and space complexity. So time complexity is n plus n because we have two hash sets. We have two int arrays. So the time to go through those will increase as those numbers get larger. And space complexity is the same thing. We've got however big the input parameters are for nums1 and nums2. And that is it. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have questions, and we'll see you next time.